Hello everybody, it's Max again with PhoneArena.com in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, again with Linda from Nokia in Finland, and we are at Nokia World, and she's going to show us another couple of features coming to the Nokia Black update. We're going to talk about Nokia Storyteller and the new Nokia Camera app, which integrates some of the best features of Nokia Pro Camera, Nokia Smart Cam, and other neat things that are happening with that app. So Linda, take us away and show us what's neat and exciting with the Nokia Camera.
Okay, thank you. So I have here my Lumia 1020 device, and I will show you how the Nokia camera will be working. So thanks to the Lumia Black update, and aligned with that, we are going to roll out the Nokia camera experience across our Windows Phone 8 Lumia family.
Right.
So it's a great experience that actually works in the Lumia 520, in the Lumia 820, and for example on my 1020 here.
Yeah. And this is coming to all Windows Phone 8 devices. It is
Correct.
not. There's no memory limitation or anything like that.
The experience can vary based on the hardware and software elements, but overall the consumer experience is the same.
Okay.
So what will we bring in the Nokia camera? We will have preset modes.
Yep.
So you can, just by one click, you can actually access to the different preset modes.
Yep.
So you can get the night mode, for example, to take pictures in low light conditions.
Yep.
Or you can have the sport mode, take moving objects, for example. So really easy and quick way to get great pictures with just a few clicks. Then you can also move between the different camera modes. So between the smart, video, and pro mode, you can move really easily this way.
Right. And then you also have that rapid shooting mode as part of the quick link there too.
Correct. Now you can also get these manual settings for your Lumia 520, for example. So really easy way to take great pictures. You can see here how the picture will look like before you take it.
Yeah, look at that.
Or just by clicking here, the manual settings go away, and you can see how the picture will come out based on your own settings.
Sure. And then when you release the shutter button, your settings come back.
Exactly.
And you can see everything in action.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. That's a lot of people are gonna have fun with that feature as they start experimenting with their cameras on their fancy Lumias.
Yes.
It's very cool. So now with all these pictures, and one of the things that we saw during the press event was Storyteller. So take us through Storyteller and how that works in practical terms, because that's some really neat stuff as well.
Okay.
That's fine. Go on. Just go back to your home screen and go to Storyteller.
Yes.
And one of the things that you noticed there when she was multitasking, folks, is you might have seen in the upper right-hand corner the ability to close out recently viewed apps by tapping on the X icon. So yes, that is coming to an update in future Windows Phone release to Nokia devices.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. So the Storyteller application is working perfectly on new launching devices. It will also be released at the beginning of next year for our existing range. So Lumia Windows Phone 8 range. So for example here, it's a really fun way to share your stories through your own pictures and videos.
Yep.
You can, for example, here even change the headlines for your own stories. By going to the picture, for example, you can just open the picture, and by zooming out, put it this way, you can actually see where the picture has been taken.
Right. And as you scroll
from the harbor, we continue to the fish market. You can click on the picture, look at the fantastic colors of the picture.
Of course. And that's Zeiss optics in action, and pure view technology as well.
Right. And here you can continue to share your own stories. Where you moved in, you went to lunch, for example.
Yeah, exactly.
And you can share the fantastic pictures here.
And the Maps application just jumps right along with you as you bounce from place to place telling the story.
Exactly. And here you can see the fantastic pictures we've taken here actually in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
And you can see her here, it was in the middle of nowhere, so it doesn't show the map, but when we go further today, went back to the city, you can actually see here, it will bring you directly to where we went back.
And that's funny because you guys literally were in the middle of nowhere. And that's why the screen looked blank, because there was literally nothing there to map. So there we are.
Yeah.
And so that's Storyteller in action, which is pretty neat. I mean, it gives you a geotag, it gives you a map as a reference to share where your pictures are taken, and it gives you a really neat way to explore where you are when you're taking these pictures.
Exactly. It's a fantastic way to share your own story.
Absolutely. Great, Linda. Thanks so much for sharing with us. This is Max with PhoneArena.com. Keep checking back with us here as we cover Nokia World in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates, and we will catch you later.